Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to do lookups in Excel. In Excel, there are two types of lookups, HLookup and vertical VLookup. The name itself tells you the meaning what for this lookups. Lookup is generally searching for, seeking for, like that. So in HLookup, you can select the data horizontally. That is, we can search the data in a particular row, that is horizontal lookup, and vertical lookup is you can search a value which is placed in a single column. That is, if you know the register number or name of a candidate, you want to extract another data of a particular student, we can use this lookups. So let me tell you how to do lookups in Excel. So this is the database already I have. The main criteria for using lookup is the data should be sorted. If you perform unsorted data, you cannot get the result what you want. Say, let me type, that is, I want to display the CGPA of a particular student. See, all the students' names are placed aligned in a single column. So in this case, we are going to search whether the name is there in a particular row or not. Vertically we are going to search, so we have to use VLookup. So you can directly use formula, otherwise you can go for this menu also. It is also very easy. HLookup and VLookup, you can use it. So let me type formula because it is very easy. So VLookup, open bracket. So what the data you want to search? Say for example, I want to search John, and where we want to search, that is from this particular table. See, and another thing you keep in mind while using a lookup, the search value should be in the first column, that is leftmost column. And again, what data you want to display, that is fifth column. I want to display CGPA of John. So John CGPA is 7.8. So we get it. So instead of every time changing name here, say for example, I just type Anu. See, Anu CGPA is 9.7. So instead of typing like that, I am going to type a cell in this particular. I type the name in this particular cell. Automatically, the result should come here. So instead of directly typing the name, you just click this cell. Say Anu. Say Kani CGPA is 8.9. And again just type Neha. So Neha's CGPA is 8.7. So like that we can use VLookup. So the same thing we can use in horizontal lookup also. So this is the data. So that is all the data are placed in horizontally. So I want to perform the data. So here I want to search name in a particular row, that is horizontally I have to search whether say Sita is here. If not, again search it in another, so till I found Sita. So in this, if you have a data like this, we can use HLookup. Say equal to, the syntax is the same. HLookup, open bracket, I want to find Sita, and again here the topmost row should be the search value row. So select the table and comma. Say I want to display community. Say community is, it is 14th value BC, right? It comes. So actually it is not correct. Let us check with some other name. Say JISHU, Jishu. Right, so actually Jishu community is FC, but it shows BC because this data is unsorted data. So now I want to sort this data, right? Say in Excel there is an option called sort. See, normally it sorts top to bottom. We want to sort left to right. So click sort and click options. Say choose left to right and click OK. See here the first column is the header column. So we'll just leave this register number, name, something like that. So select the data alone, sort, custom sort, options, left to right. So we have to sort based on the name. Name is there in the second row. Click OK. See, now automatically changed. See, now you will be getting the exact value. Right? Jishu. Right? There is a spelling mistake. Okay. Jishu. Jishu community is FC. Right? So like in HLookup, I'm going to type a name here automatically. Their community should display here. So in such case, let me type here HLookup. That is name. I'm going to type it here, and this is the table value, comma. If the name found, I want to display the community. Community is like 14th row. Say you just type Vijay. Say Vijay community is BC. Then I say if want to type a name, I just wanted to display community as well as the placement data or family income. So again you can type. So the same thing HLookup. I want to find out the name which is there in a particular cell, and that should be in this table, comma. I want to display like 15th row. Right, so Vijay community is BC and family income is 59,000. Say let me type another data, Dev. Right, so Dev community is also BC 8,900. So let me type John. Right, FC 8,600. Like that you can use HLookup and VLookup. You can create a database and you can select the data based on the criteria also. It is very powerful tool. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.